Unit 7, Sultan Ahmed Masjid. Its exercise on 76 page. Its theme is written here. And now its glossary. Its words and meanings. Impressive, mutassir kun, remarkable. Hospic, musafir khana, an inn. Embellish, सजाया हुआ. Flamboyant, चमकदार, रंग बिरंगा. इंटीरियर, उसका अंदरूनी हिस्सा, इनसाइड. कार्व्ड, कंधा किया गया, नक्शो निगार किया गया. इम्प्रिंटेड. एडोन्ड, आरास्ता, डेकोरेटेड. अपॉइंटेड, मुकर्रर करना, सिलेक्टेड. दिस इज ओरल एक्टिविटी. In comprehension, you have been given a file in which your answers are written. Vocabulary in Unit 7. The words to improve our English knowledge. To have addition in words. First is embellish, decorate, adorn. Integrate, combine, merge, unite, join. Splendor, grandeur, beauty, glory, grace. Majesty, stainless, dignity, splendor, glory. Illuminate, brighten, light. Now question B. Circle the correct antonyms. Antonyms mean opposites from the given choices of the underlined words. These are underlined words. We have to select the underlined words antonym. इसका हमने मुतजाद देखना है. The Sultan Ahmed Masjid is one of the most impressive opposite unimpressive monuments in the world. Situated in Istanbul, the largest, इसका एंटोनिम है smallest. A heavy, heavy का एंटोनिम light. This is light. A heavy iron chain is hung light. Heavy, light. The upper, the opposite of upper is lower. Use the flowers are covered. Covered, opposite, exposed. Covered, exposed. Use the following sentences in your own words in your sentences. You can have your own words only for the discussion. I am sharing some of these. Impressive, mutassir kun. He had very impressive speech. Dexterously, महारत के साथ, चाबकदस्ती के साथ. She uses needle dexterously in knitting. Spacious, कुशादा, वसी. There are spacious classrooms in my school. Humility, आजजी, इनकिसारी. God loves humility in human beings. Flamboyant, जाज़बे नज़र, ज़र्कबर्ग. He was flamboyant on the stage. इसका एक और भी हम बना सकते हैं. She was wearing flamboyant clothes. Now, what do you following abbreviations stand? What do the following abbreviations stand for? ये abbreviations हैं, किसके लिए हैं? USA stands for United States of America. UK, United Kingdom. UAE, United Arab Emirates. ICU, Intensive Care Unit. MBBS, Bachelor of Medicine and Bachelors of Surgery. PhD, Doctor of Philosophy. MPhil, Master of Philosophy. PAF, Pakistan Air Force. NADRA, National Advanced Database Registration Authority. UN, United Nations. ISSB, Inter-Services Selection Board, WAPDA, Water and Power Development Authority, PCTB, Punjab Curriculum and Textbook Board, MNA, Member of National Assembly, MPA, Member of Provisional Assembly, IMF, International Monetary Fund, International Monetary Fund, WHO, World Health Organization, WTO, World Trade Organization, UNESCO, United Nations Educational and Scientific and Cultural Organization, UNICEF, United Nations International Children Emergency Fund. Now, the first portion is of grammar. Position of adverb that adds in the meaning of verb. Verb is an action word. Place the adverbs at the appropriate position. Verb को उसकी मुनासिब जगह पे रखना है. बोर्ड के पेपर में लाजमन जो हमारे MCQs हैं वो ग्रामर बेस्ड होते हैं. ये ब्रैकेट में दिए गए हैं, हम इनको पुट करेंगे. She often comes here. Often we will put after she. He sometimes goes to Lahore. The third is on page 78. This is your book, page 78. The teacher was late. Hardly ever को अब हमने यहाँ put करना है. The teacher was hardly ever late. We are usually tired by the end of the day. I have just posted a letter to them. He did not work carefully. The carefully will come at the end. Now in grammar portion, degrees of adjective है हमारे पास. इनमें comparison भी होता है. छोटा उससे छोटा, सबसे छोटा, बड़ा उससे बड़ा, सबसे बड़ा, नाइस उससे नाइस, सबसे ज्यादा नाइस. तो हम इनको फर्स्ट वाले को पॉजिटिव डिग्री में लेंगे. फर्स्ट, सेकंड कंपैरेटिव एंड थर्ड सुपरलेटिव. तो अमूमन इसके लिए मोर और मोस्ट का लफ्ज आता है. ER और EST का इजाफा होता है. kept much more, kept more, kept most. Sang beautifully, sang more beautifully, sang most beautifully. Slept little, slept less, slept least. Looked good, looked better, looked best. Arrived early, arrived earlier, arrived earliest. Now, use the above degrees of comparison in sentences given in example. Now we will have their use. The first is, they came early this morning. They came early this morning. I came earlier than him. He came earliest of all. Now its answer. He kept much patience. He kept more patience than I. He kept most patience of all. Number 2. She sang beautifully. She sang more beautifully than her sister. She sang most beautifully of all. Third, she slept little. She slept less. She slept least of all. He looked good. He looked better than earlier. He looked best of all. Rizwan arrived early. Rizwan arrived earlier. Rizwan arrived earliest of all. Now, present perfect continuous tense. इसकी methodology है. The structure of the present perfect tense is, first of all, we will put the subject, the doer of an action. Auxiliary verb has and have addition. Auxiliary verb with the use of been plus main verb base के साथ हम ing का इजाफा करेंगे. As it has been raining since morning. Since और for का यूज होगा इसमें. अब हम इसकी एक्सरसाइज की तरफ चलते हैं. I have been studying for 3 hours. I have been watching TV since 7 p.m. Tara has been feeling well for 2 weeks. Tara has not been visiting us since March. He has been playing football for a long time. He has been living in Bangkok since he left the school. Make 5 sentences using present perfect continuous tense. The focus is present perfect continuous tense and convert them into negative and interrogative sentences. First, assertive. I have been writing for you for an hour. Negative. I have not been writing for you for an hour. Interrogative. Have I been writing for you for an hour? Next more. The birds have been chirping since morning. Negative. The birds have not been chirping since morning. Interrogative. Have the birds been chirping since morning? Another example. Ali has been living in this house for 10 years. It's negative. Ali has not been living in this house for 10 years. It's interrogative. Has Ali been living in this house for 10 years? One more example. Ali has been playing hockey since 2020. Negative. Ali has not been playing hockey since 2020. Interrogative. Sawaliya. Has Ali been playing hockey since 2020? Rizwan has been doing the sums for 2 hours. It's negative. Rizwan has not been doing the sums for 2 hours. And it's interrogative. Has Rizwan been doing the sums for 2 hours? And this is oral communication. Best of luck.